there, folks, it's UFO Bob. And if you're like me, you're probably a kid at heart. And that means you like trains. Today, we're going to take a ride on the Irvine Park Railroad. This 160-acre park, which opened in 1897, is named after James Irvine, a pioneer of California farming. The railroad consists of a 1/3 scale propane-powered locomotive, which pulls 5 open-air passenger cars. Traveling on a winding mile of track, the train travels through a grove of heritage oak and sycamore trees and past the lake where you can fish for trout, bass, bluegill, carp, and catfish. Established in 1996, the railroad was the brainchild of 2 friends, John Ford and Steve Horn. They had been operating the park's food and rental concessions for over 10 years. And wanting to provide more value for park visitors, they brainstormed and came up with this wonderful 12-minute journey complete with water wheel and an old-time town. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And hey, why not subscribe while you're at it? Finally, if you'd like to watch the complete train ride without commentary, click on the following link. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, this is UFO Bob